Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that, viewers, as I have informed you in the previous video, that there is a critical situation in the Amhara and the Afar region, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers are constantly moving forward in Amhara and Afar region. Viewers, while there are now reports from several reliable sources that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of the Haragobia train station in the east of Valdia, Amhara. And many photos from Tigray Defense Force about this have also been shared on social media, which you can see on your screen. Viewers, and according to the reports, the Turkish staff was working at this station, which has now left the station, and now the train station in the east of Valdia is now totally under the control of Tigray Defense Force. Because the Abash Valdia Haragobia railway project is a new railway line being constructed between Abash and Valdia. And the new railway line will connect northern and central Ethiopia. It will also link the country's northern and eastern transportation networks. Because the railway road's primary purpose is to connect the north of Ethiopia with the Addis Ababa Djibouti railways at the Abash junction, and therefore connecting it with the world economy through the port of Djibouti and also with the southern parts of Ethiopia with its capital Addis Ababa. Because while on the other hand, a heavy war is still going on in Desai. According to several reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are entering in Desai from many sides. But so far, no clear reports have been received about this. While, according to several reliable sources, furious fighting is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the vicinity of Desai, and Tigray Defense Force soldiers are constantly trying to enter Desai. So viewers, so far this latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.